World Liberty Financial is dominating headlines today as the WLFI token is, well, it's bringing in the volatility, and it is drastically increasing gas fees. Now, the Ethereum network is a little bit overwhelmed at the moment, and gas is expensive. As a matter of fact, I tried to go in there and buy some WLFI token this morning, and you know what the transaction was going to cost me? $289. All right, so I didn't buy it on the blockchain this morning. I do have a little bit on Kucoin. We're going to talk about that. So we're going to talk about how you can get it, what's happening with it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, cryptocurrency, the Trump's family WLFI token poised for top 10 crypto as $1 billion derivatives frenzy erupts ahead of the $483 million unlock. Binance and OKX debuts, as well as many other exchanges. So just to go through that, guys, some of the exchanges that you can trade it on right now, let's see, Gate.io in the US, Korea-based Upbit, BitHump, Kraken, Kucoin, HTX, Mexi, LBank, BitTrue. You can also trade, especially if you're interested in leverage, on BitUnix. You can also trade over here on KSEX. We got to pull up the KSEX exchange, and it's going to be very easy. You're going to type in WLFI, and then from there, you can decide if you would like to trade futures or if you would like to trade spot. So if you're going to trade on futures, you can come out and very easily trade a World Liberty Financial on up to 25x leverage. Now, I do prefer Kucoin, especially as Kucoin. I do actually prefer Kucoin, but not as a US user. I do prefer KSEX as a US user, but if you're interested in using trading bots, leverage, or whatever, and you are an international user, you get a link for Kucoin down in the description below, and you're going to be able to trade World Liberty Financial there. Take advantage of this volatility, guys. It is going to be doing billions of dollars in volume. It is one of the hottest and one of the newest tokens out right now. And as you can see, you could read through here, right? Markets brace for massive World Liberty Financial unlock and multiple exchange listings. And it goes on to say that open interest in the Trump family's World Liberty Financial token exploded towards $1 billion ahead of the $483 million token unlock as listing debuts on exchanges including Binance and OKX, with the token eyeing a potential top 10 crypto ranking. Hours before the unlock, open interest in World Liberty Financial contracts hit $950 million before cooling slightly to 797. That's still a very large amount. Now, if you go out there, it has caused a little bit of congestion, and it's caused a very large increase in gas fees. It says, Ethereum news today, Ethereum congestion crisis. I don't necessarily call it a crisis, right? I think they do that for headline purposes. But airdrop triggers DeFi summer-style gas surge. Now, Ethereum gas fees spiked to 200 GUI, however you want to say this, doesn't matter, during World Liberty Financial token airdrop, surpassing 30-day averages and resembling 2020 DeFi summer levels. Now, you guys can go in there for yourself and check it out. I was paying, I didn't pay it, right? They wanted me to pay $289. I just looked about 10 minutes ago, and it was down to roughly $120. And I'm sure that as airdrops take place and as everything calms down, the Ethereum network is going to get back to normal, and then you're going to be paying normal gas fees to go out there and transact. But one way to avoid that, right? If you want to go in there and trade it and buy and sell right now, I would suggest using a centralized exchange like KSEX, like Kucoin, like BitUnix. Links for everything down in the description below. It's going to save you a lot of money at the moment if you can't wait. So if you don't want to wait to trade World Liberty Financial, I would suggest using a centralized exchange there. So of course you can save on those gas fees. Now with that, guys, what this shows me and what this tells me is that demand is through the roof. You know, we often forget because we're sitting actually at a level of fear right now. It's 39 fear. If you come out here and look at coin stats, you can see a 39 fear. If you come out here and look at coin market cap, 39 fear. Altcoin season tipping from 50 plus yesterday down to 46 today. So this recent pullback has really caused a lot of concern. But with that, people are obviously still willing to buy new tokens because they know the opportunity that it brings. So yes, I am stacking World Liberty Financial, and I'm going to be buying more on the blockchain than I do on centralized exchanges, but I just didn't want to pay the $289 gas fee this morning, so that's why I went with Kucoin. Or KSEX, I keep saying Kucoin. But from there, guys, make sure that you check out tiny little tokens like Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is building a brand new layer 2 blockchain for the Bitcoin network. Now, you're going to have links for everything down in the description below, so if you want to research Bitcoin Hyper a little bit more, make sure to check that out. It's a very easy process to buy with card or buy with crypto, however you would like to do it. But what these guys are doing here, they've already raised $13.2 million, which is incredible. But they're building a layer 2 network for Bitcoin so that people can utilize it, so that they can transact with it, and it's not just a store of value. You're going to be able to bridge over from Bitcoin to Bitcoin Hyper, utilizing the layer 2 network, transacting near instant finality and literally almost zero fees. And then from there, not $289 fees like Ethereum was this morning. From there, utilizing zero-knowledge proofs, it sends the info back to the Bitcoin blockchain where it's validated on the Bitcoin blockchain. And then when you're ready to withdraw, you simply initiate that request and move your tokens back over from the layer 2 to the layer 1 Bitcoin network. If you do have any additional questions, they've got a lot of frequently asked questions down at the bottom of the page here that they do a very good job of answering. But of course, you can come out and you can join their X account, their Telegram group, get all your questions answered there as well. Stay up to date on the latest information, and see that they've got very good engagement, very good views, all of that stuff. If this truly is, the summer of 2020 DeFi style gas fees and so on, I am gearing up for the biggest bull market rally ever. I am buying now in anticipation of the gains to come. Don't forget, you guys got links for everything down in the description below. Let me know what you're buying, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.